Introducing the Nano Garden. The easiest way to grow a wide range of plants at home all year round in a lovely tiny object that will fit anywhere in your home. The Nano Garden is made up of 3 elements: the plant pod, the pot, and the light. Your plant floats on water. It sprouts from a compostable pod that contains everything: seeds, of course, and the perfect nutrients and growth medium. The roots dig in for water. Our hydroponic design renews the oxygen by the convection flow of fresh air. And you simply top up with water every 2 to 4 weeks. The grow light turns on automatically in the morning and turns off in the evening. It provides a full spectrum light that is fine-tuned for plants and also enjoyable for your everyday ambient lighting. It's app-enabled. Select your current plant, connect the light via Bluetooth, and the light intensity and duration will adapt automatically to the plant. You can grow a range of more than 50 plants. So whether you want to bring a green touch to your living room, or a relaxing atmosphere in your home office, or jazz up your daily meals with fresh mint and basil, or even revive your favorite plant, the Nano Garden is here to bring life and light to your everyday living.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. So the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear Nature, welcome home.
Still don't know what's best for your plants? Tried everything but still failed miserably? Introducing WAZAI, the smartest bonsai ever. Monitor your growing process anytime, with built-in daylight sensors providing corresponding suggestions, offering you professional shading advice for your plants. With the massive water tank, WAZAI automatically adjusts its watering frequency and smartly distributes water, keeping plants alive when you're on vacation. Grow anything with precision. Enjoy every bit of greenery in your household. WAZAI, the smartest bonsai ever.